the last video we had seen how we had ascertained how much oxygen is being used and how we come to know about the surface area of the body. Now the calculation of BMR. Normal BMR for individual of patient's age and sex is obtained from standard table. Then patient's actual weight is expressed as plus or minus of the normal. So here is an example of a male person who is 35 years of age. He has a height of 170 centimeters and weighs 70 kg. Consumed an average of 1.2 liters of oxygen, which was corrected to temperature and pressure. Means temperature was around 20 to 25 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure in a 6-minute period. Therefore, oxygen consumption per hour will be, this factor will be multiplied by 10. So this person consumed 12 liters of oxygen in 1 hour. So energy production, this amount of oxygen will be multiplied by 4.825. So the energy production comes to around 58 kilocalories per hour. Now the surface area from nomogram with the person's height and weight was ascertained and it was found to be 1.8 square meters. So the BMR will be this heat production per hour is divided by surface area of the body and it comes to around 32 kilocalories per square meter per hour, which is the units for BMR. Now the normal BMR for this patient by reference to standard table is less, which is around the standard person has a BMR of 39.5 kilocalories per square meter per hour. So the percentage by which this person's BMR is less is calculated according to the formula normal minus that of a patient divided by normal into 100. So it comes to around minus 18.98% and minus sign indicates his BMR is less by this much percentage. So a BMR between minus 15 to plus 20% is considered normal because of variations in environmental conditions as well as individual metabolic variations. But this person's BMR is lower than minus 15, so this person is having a low BMR. Normal BMR value for an adult male is about 40 kilocalories per square meter per hour and for a adult female is about 37 kilocalories per square meter per hour. Now the factors which affect BMR. Rate of metabolism at basal condition varies with different individuals and various other factors. First is age. BMR of children is much higher than adults because they have a greater surface area in comparison to their weight. So roughly speaking, it is inversely proportional to age. Initially when a child is born, then the BMR is low and then it starts increasing and rises to a maximum at the age of 5 to 6, after which it begins to decline. Then the sex, women normally have a lower BMR than men. BMR of female declines greatly between age 5 and 17, more rapidly than those of males. Males have still higher BMR. Then the surface area. Much of the basal metabolism is for maintaining our body temperature and the body temperature is proportional, or the amount of heat production is proportional to the surface area of the body. So greater the surface area, greater will be the heat required to maintain body temperature. So BMR is proportional to surface area of body. So smaller individuals have higher rate of metabolism per unit surface area than larger individuals. Then climate, colder people living in colder climate have a higher BMR because they lose body heat to the surrounding and therefore they have to maintain body temperature, so they burn more calories to maintain body temperature. Then racial variation, Chinese have a lower BMR than Westerns. We all know Westerners have more height as compared to Chinese person. They both may be living in cold conditions, but still Chinese will have a lower BMR. This is racial variation as compared to Western people. Eskimos live in very cold areas, so they have a higher BMR. Then state of nutrition. BMR is lower in starvation, malnutrition and wasting diseases. If a person does not take nutritious food and is suffering from lesser amount of nutrients, then that person will have a lower BMR. Body temperature, if BMI increases by 12% for 1 degree rise in temperature. So if a person has fever, then that person's BMR is going to increase because it stimulates chemical processes in our body, so the temperature rises. Barometric pressure, if a person is climbing a mountain, then oxygen tension at higher levels is low, so BMR increases. But if you keep a person in excess of oxygen tension, then it will not affect BMR. Habits, trained athletes and manual workers tend to have a higher BMR. Drugs like caffeine, epinephrine, etc. increase BMR, while anesthetics lower BMR. Then hormones like thyroid, hormones of adrenal medulla, anterior pituitary, they increase BMR. If mixed edema disease is there, then BMR decreases. Sex hormones also increase BMR. Then pregnancy increases BMR because the lady has to maintain her own basal metabolism as well as that of fetus. It generally increases greatly after 6 months of gestation. Then fever and pathological variation in BMR. In fever and infection, increase in BMR because cellular processes increase, and to fight infection, antibodies are made, therefore BMR increases. Diseases like leukemia, polycythemia, where cancerous situation where the cell metabolism, cell multiplication increases very much, there also BMR increases. Then endocrine diseases like hyperthyroidism, there is increase in BMR. In hypothyroidism, BMR decreases. Hyper increases, and in hypothyroidism, BMR decreases. If hypothyroidism is there, then in children cretinism situation occurs. BMR increases in Cushing's disease as well as in acromegaly. Then importance of BMR. Why do we want to check BMR? It acts as a diagnostic aid for diagnosis of thyroid function. Initially T3, T4 tests were not there, so by measuring BMR, thyroid function was ascertained. For calculation of caloric requirement and for planning nutrition for individuals, BMR is ascertained because according to the nature of work and environmental conditions, food adequacy is determined. To study effect of food and drugs, BMR is ascertained.